Laughter is the best medicine proverb. Meaning of the proverb. The proverb laughter is the best medicine means that laughter is beneficial to health. Laughter boosts up the immune system and improves the flow of blood to the brain and vital organs, thereby improving physical as well as psychological health. Laughing is an instant antidepressant and makes you feel good about yourself and also the people around you. A good laugh will let you instantly feel happier and better like nothing else. Examples of the proverb. The doctor told to the man, "You will be alright, there is nothing to worry, just try to be happy and be in the company of happy people. After all, laughter is the best medicine." My school routinely organizes funny magic show for the children as the management believes that laughter is the best medicine. Origin of the proverb. The exact origin of the proverb cannot be told, yet it is accredited to several sources. In 1300, Henry de Mondeville, a professor of surgery, found out the advantages of humor in treating ailments. He started experimenting with humor as a medicine for post-operative treatments. Another professor and journalist named Norman Cousins also started experimenting with mood-elevating techniques by laughter. Cousins' experiments revealed that just 10 minutes of laughter is enough for relaxation up to a couple of hours. Some even credit the origin of the proverb to the Old Testament, in which it is written, "A merry heart is like medicine." Later, the proverb was also popularized by a monthly magazine, Reader's Digest, which routinely printed a humorous article with the same name. Today, the proverb has become an integral part of global culture and is popularly used in conversations as well as practice. Expansion of the proverb. The proverb "laughter is the best medicine" implies that laughter is the best way to recover from an illness or depression or sadness, etc. Medicine in the proverb means a curing ability like commercial medicines have for a specific ailment or disease. Unlike the medicines that treat a specific disease, laughter on the other hand is useful for treating physical as well as psychological health. Laughter has been proved to reduce pain and helpful in treating depression and sadness. While commercial medicines may have side effects, laughter is a medicine that provides a win-win situation with no side effect at all. Laughter, on the other hand, can be used as an additional cure along with traditional medicines. Importance of the proverb. Laughter is the best medicine is a proverb that not only promotes good physical health but also mental health as well. It encourages us to adopt a happy lifestyle and be in the company of happy and healthy individuals. Many medical professionals have ingrained the concept of laughter is the best medicine in their work culture. Today, a number of doctors advise their patients to spend time in activities that make them laugh or at least spend time with friends with a pinch of humor. Short story on laughter is the best medicine. There lived a boy named Sri in an Indian village. He was a very jovial and funny kind of person, but everyone else in his family was serious. Only Sri used to laugh in his family and everyone, even the villagers, knew it. He also loved cracking jokes, writing funny stories and things like that. Sri had an uncle who lived in the family. His name was Pramod. He had a huge loss in business a few years back and was always sad, not so happy kind of guy. The memories of loss were still with him and he was ill most of the time. No serious disease or ailment, but he remained ill, refusing medication. He also had difficulty in sleeping and could not sleep well. The boy Shri loved his uncle and was worried about his degrading health. He wanted to help him. He made a plan and wrote a funniest possible play with dialogues. He even prepared masks representing various characters in the play. One night before his uncle was struggling to sleep, Shri requested him to just watch his play. After an hour of play had Pramod laughing his heart out. At the end of the surprise of everyone, he went in a deep sleep just within 5 minutes of laughing. The man whom medicines could not get to sleep finally was sleeping like a child. That's only because he laughed thanks to Shri. That day, everyone in the family realized that laughter is the best medicine and started laughing often. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.